Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created these really cute spring Hello Kitty nails. And first off, I am using my medium square full cover nails from Saviland, and they are already primed and base coated. And I'm just going to go ahead and start off doing my French tips. I am using this rubber base gel from Beetles. I absolutely love this color, and I will be sure to leave everything I used in today's video linked in the description box below. And what I do is I go ahead and just map out where I want the base of my nail to be, and this helps me make my French tips come out so much better and easier, because when I freehand my French tips, I struggle. I just cannot eyeball it correctly. I don't know why it's so hard for me, but it is. And this method that I started doing actually just helps out so much, so I encourage you to try it. If you want me to go ahead and do an in-depth video of how to do it, I could do that, but it is pretty self-explanatory. So I do go ahead and do 2 coats of that, and I do cure for 60 seconds in between. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my, sorry about my dogs in the background, they are barking. So I am going to go ahead and take my liner brush from Beetles, and I'm just going to go ahead and outline that smile line where I first applied the rubber base gel. And then I'm going to just fill in the top of the tip with the rest of the color. Today I'm using white. And I want to go ahead and do that to the thumb, the pointer finger, and the pinky finger. So I'll go ahead and let you watch me do that, and I'll come back here in a second. Okay, this is how the nails look so far, and I don't know what happened to my footage. I apologize for the middle and the ring finger, but I did go ahead and just apply 2 coats of that same rubber base gel just to the full nail, and then cured for 60 seconds in between. So I am going to go ahead and take my AB Crystal Rhinestones and my little Hello Kitty charm, and I'm going to go ahead and use these really cute little flowers. I don't know what you call them, flower charms maybe. And I got all of this stuff from Amazon, so I'll make sure to leave those in the description box below. And for the all bling French tip, first you want to go ahead and outline the French tip with a glitter gel polish of your choice. I am going to go ahead and use this one from Liberty Bugs, and it is a silver holographic, or I don't know what you want to call it, glitter polish. And you can use any color of your choice, just so that if you lose a rhinestone, or you don't want the base color to be peeking out in between the rhinestones underneath. So go ahead and make the French tip and then cure that for 60 seconds. And to apply my charms and rhinestones, I am going to be using my Modelones rhinestone glue, and I love this glue. I just recently purchased it, and I really didn't pay attention to the details, but it's actually a non-wipe rhinestone gel. And if I remember correctly, my Macart rhinestone glue, that one leaves a tacky layer, but this one actually doesn't, and I really didn't pay attention to that until I was reading the reviews on it. So this makes it really great to make the French tip bling. and that way you don't have to worry about it being sticky and getting all over your rhinestones. So I really recommend you purchasing this Modelones rhinestone glue, and so far that I've been using it, it's really worked very well. It's kept my charms in place. I haven't had any problems. It is a little bit thinner than Macar, I would say, but not that much, and I really recommend it to you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just flash cure my little flowers and my rhinestones and just my little Hello Kitty charm with my UV light pan. I recommend that you guys get you one of these if you haven't had one already. It helps out so much. I used to struggle so much using my big lamp to try to flash cure, but since I went ahead and got this from Shein, it's helped out a lot. So I'll go ahead and let you watch this process, and I'll come back here in a bit. I do want to pop in really quick and just thank all my subscribers. I do have quite a few new subscribers lately, and oh my goodness, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm so excited, and all of you that have still been here since the beginning, of course, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm always showing my husband every single day just how many new subscribers I get, and it's just so exciting. Oh my god, I appreciate you all so much. So be sure to like this video and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. What are you thinking? Nothing but positive vibes over here, okay? And go ahead and share my channel with your friends and family. I would love to go ahead and have my channel grow. It is my dream to just go ahead and just share my I don't know, my talent, my passion for making press-on nails, and I would just love to go ahead and just teach all of you that want to learn how to make nails, you know, how I do it. So I appreciate you guys for supporting me and sticking by me, and just hang in there. I promise you, I'm going to be bringing in more and more content as time goes by. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Again, thank you so much. So I do want to go ahead and let you know that I am going to be doing a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. And it is gonna have to be US giveaway only. I cannot do it internationally right now, unfortunately. I am so sorry for my international subscribers, but don't worry, I still appreciate you guys, okay? Please hang in there. So just go ahead and subscribe so you can be entered in the giveaway. And here's the finished nail set. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, please like my videos so the algorithm will push out my content to help others out there. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.